Welcome. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be concentrating on gravity forms with WordPress, or more specifically, pre-populating a drop-down menu with URL parameters. So why might this be useful? Well, for example, have you ever wanted to send someone a form link with a drop-down menu already selected? Maybe you're running a marketing campaign and would like to track which person brought in the submission. Or perhaps you just want to save your users a click or two, sending them a link to your contact form. Well, with gravity forms, they make this very easy to accomplish. So let's jump right in. So the first thing we need to do is actually head over to our WordPress admin area and then into Gravity Forms and then select the form we want to work with. Locate the drop-down field that you want to pre-populate, click on it to open its settings panel, click on the Advanced tab in the field settings, then look for the checkbox labeled Allow field to be populated dynamically. Check that box to enable it. In the parameter name field that appears, enter a simple name, something like option or selection or something related to what the dropdown is for. In this example, I'm just going to say contact type. And below this dropdown, I have another one called plugin. So I'm going to call this parameter name plugin. So we'll just click that save form button there. And now looking at this form on the front end of my other website, we can see the form here with the dropdown menu called contact type. And if I select I need help with a plugin, we can see the plugin being shown with the conditional logic in Gravity Forms. So we have two options here. I need help with a plugin and A to Z listings. So here I'm just going to open the inspector panel, go down to the first drop-down menu and copy the contact type value, which is I need help with a plugin. And now if we navigate to the address bar, we can pop in a query string. So we can say contact type equals I need help with the plugin, exactly how we've copied it. And if we hit enter, we can see that I need help with the plugin has been selected. All that's left to do is now copy the plugin value, which is AZ listings, and paste it into our parameters in the URL. So I'm going to separate each value with an and or an ampersand, and then type in plugin equals AZ listings. And we'll hit enter again, and now we can see that both options are selected. I need help with the plugin and A to Z listings. So now we could easily go up to the address bar, copy the entire value, and then paste it into an email or a web chat or something like that, and pass it on to another person. So then when they click it, they can see both options have been selected. And you can use as many parameters as you like. So that's about it for the moment. So hopefully this helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.